How to change Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through how to change Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. Well, I don't have a Nintendo Switch on hand, so I have done thorough research and compiled all the steps you will need. I'll also be using the Notes application to make the process as clear as possible. So without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Fortnite and press the plus button in top right corner of your screen. Now go to settings, that is the cogwheel icon. Then tap support and refunds. Then you need to select support to open the browser. Complete the verify you are human checkbox and log into your Epic Games account in account settings. Now tap the blue edit button next to your username and enter the new username and confirm. Now restart Fortnite. The changes may take a few minutes to an hour to update in-game. And after that, you will successfully change Fortnite username on Nintendo Switch. So I hope this guide was informative. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. So that's it.